one time we're getting ready for, I think, the 14 Olympia. And it happens that he have an appearance in England. We had like 15 weeks before the Olympia, 15 weeks. And he had called me, man, I'm at the restaurant, they don't have salmon. I'm like, okay, I'll have a piece of steak. You sure? I'm like, yeah, we're 15 weeks out. You know, so this is where you love somebody. You know who you love? You love the people that they give you 100%. Not the people, you know, like the people that they blame it on you. They don't want to say, oh, well, you know, I messed up, man. I was eating crap and, you know, bro, no, the coach did it. No, it's not the coach. You did it, bro. You know, like I can tell, like by looking at somebody, I know if he's following his diet or not. Come on, bro. I've been doing this for almost 30 years. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, you're not gonna play, you know, pass this by me. He texts me, hey man, is it okay if I eat those, you know, sugar-free Altoid? My reply was, yeah, they're okay, but remember, they might cause, you know, problem in your stomach, and you know you hate the gas feeling, whatever, blah, blah, blah. I swear, you guys, I swear. Not even 2 minutes later, he sent me a picture, they're in the garbage. He said, done, I'm not using it. But this is what I try to tell people, man. This is what I want people to take from me. Your job, your relationship, and bodybuilding, praying, whatever you do in life, don't settle to be 50%. Don't.
This is a different human being. It's just a machine.
Meal's ready for the day.
I can change a body with nutrition alone without weightlifting. I can't change somebody, and we see it every day, that just works out and doesn't do nutrition. Right.
I got my next meal right there. That's another 10 egg whites with the vegetables.
Right now, this is my third meal. Shock him again, we gonna bring some shit, some nasty shit.
Have to be able to eat consistently.
The amount of calories I can eat is just, it's off the textbook.
I love the diet. I love to train.
You are. You gotta have your phone with you.
Because the way I see it is like this. I'm in the gym to break muscle tissue down, not to build it. My job is after the gym to build it up. That's when I'll put the food and the building blocks for the muscle to grow.
So nutrition is everything. And that's what I'm trying to get at. You guys, you be the most prepared to that day, you know what I'm saying? Other than just say, oh, okay, 12 weeks out. Who says 12 weeks out? You know, you're supposed to, I mean, the whole year will work towards it.
Food is without a doubt number one.
I'm lined up, all set. Every gram counts.
That's when you wanted something so bad, that's what you do.
I think I'm on at least 7,000, over 7,000 calories a minute. So for most people that'd be hell.
Primarily a matter of nutritional control, calorie control. As long as you know what your maintenance level of calories is, and you go any number below that, you will lose body fat. With secondary factors, of course, physical training, building up the muscle tissue.
Your hard gains and your quality gains. Seeing the quality muscle you put in.
The tougher part of it is just diet. You know, going to the gym, weight training, that's second nature to me. I love doing that, but the dieting is a killer.
I need to have like a lot of simple stuff in there, like the grits and like 6 sugars after I train and some fruits in there and something fast. If I eat high carbohydrates that are fibrous, high fiber, it burns. It doesn't do anything for me. It doesn't hit my body hard enough. 4 or 5 days a week, that's into it. But they don't eat sufficiently enough to fuel that.
Point and beyond will depend on you. Are you determined? Are you willing? Will you go that extra mile? Will you put forth the effort that is necessary to get what it is you're seeking in your life?
Still pushing. They got this whole list of the things they don't like. I don't like to diet. I don't like to eat this. I don't like doing cardio. What do you want to do that for then? You want to eat junk food? That's what you fantasize about? You can have that, man. You can have it. You can have it right now. Or do you want something, is there something that you really want?
the grinder. You, the individual, the person that you are inside, will determine the outcome, whatever you're gonna do in your life.